Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're going to start inside the Google Play app right now. Make sure you're signed into the exact Google account that holds the subscription, otherwise you won't see it. Once inside, tap your profile icon in the top right to access account options. Next, choose Payments and Subscriptions, and then tap Subscriptions. This view lists recurring services tied to that account, so you can find the active subscription you need to remove and start managing it immediately. You'll now open the specific subscription details to see how it renews and what the next billing date is. Tap Manage to reveal options like Cancel, Change Plan, or Restore. If you want to stop future charges, select Cancel Subscription and follow prompts. Play explains when access ends. If a plan change is better, pick the new option and confirm. Make sure to read any cancellation notes, so you know whether you keep access until the period's end. After you confirm cancellation, Google sends an email and the subscription status changes to canceled or expires on with a date. Verify that immediately. If you want no future charges at all, go to Payments and Subscriptions, right arrow payment methods, and remove or update cards. If the subscription doesn't appear, make sure you're on the right Google account and check Family Library or Shared Billing. If it still fails, sign out, sign back in, or contact Google, Play support for account-level assistance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.